Next question. With reference to Indian history, Alexander, Longhurst, Sewell, James, Walter Elliot, they were associated with. Four options are given. Establishment of English press, this is wrong. Establishment of churches, this is wrong. Construction of railways, this is wrong. Archaeological excavations, this is correct. Now see this person Longhurst, it is mentioned in our history booklet. This is our history booklet for IELTS Prelims 2023, page number 126. On this topic about the city of Vijayanagar, it is mentioned that the most splendid among the secular building was the royal palace. Another building was that of a lotus mahal, which Longhurst regarded as a fine specimen of Indo-Saracenic architecture. So Longhurst, it is mentioned. Now check the other person, Robert Sewell. This is our history book, page number 124. There were 2-3 mentions about the Sewell. So he was related to the archaeological excavations. Therefore D is the answer, and this question is solved from our history book.